Hi, my name is Peter Tabling and I'm an industrial designer here at Tennant. What I want to talk to you today about is a feature that we designed into the T300 to help maintain your squeegee. It's a little divot here on this left-hand rail, and the purpose of it is a place to store your squeegee at the end of your shift. Instead of putting it on top of your machine and letting all the gunk water flow down the side of your machine and making it dirty, you can just store it here on the side of the machine and it'll air dry and keep it from taking a set. So let me demonstrate how this works. First, you're going to need to remove the recovery hose from the squeegee. Next, loosen the yellow star knobs and pull the squeegee up. At this point, you'll probably want to wipe your squeegee down. And then, using the roller wheel, hang it here on the side of the rim. It's out of the way, it can air dry, and it doesn't get the rest of your machine dirt. Well, we hope this video has been helpful.